Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Zaid Ansari, a student of Jamiatul Tawheed, wishing you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Khan Ghaffar, Zakir Hussain, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. We are so fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless, so it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.